Hey, you guys, welcome back to FedViz Exchange. I'm Michelle Brown, your coach and your mentor. In this video, we're going to talk about manufacturing. Yes, I have an Ask Michelle B question about manufacturing. And those of you that know a little bit about me, you know that manufacturing is very important to me because we need manufacturing in this country so badly right now. No matter what you make, if this is you, you have manufacturing experience and ability, you need to get moving. You need to find out where you need to fit in because this administration is so serious about manufacturing and you don't want to miss out. But listen to the question about manufacturing from Lloyd yourself.
Hello, Miss Michelle B. My name is Lloyd, and I want to say thank you for taking something as complex as this entire government contracting world and simplifying it for us. What caught my interest in your videos was your discussion surrounding manufacturing. My background is in manufacturing, aerospace, defense, consumer goods. I've been working in manufacturing for over 25 years, from the shop floor engineering, top management. I participated in some bidding along with some primes, putting together some past performance packages and stuff like that. So my desire is to establish a manufacturing facility, but in manufacturing, business capital investments are quite costly compared to other businesses. I have an LLC. I've registered with Sam. I have my DUNS number, cage code. The LLC has a website. I can read technical drawings, GD&T, welding. I mean, pretty much anything dealing with manufacturing. So my question to you is, how can I leverage my experience to sell to the DOD as a natural progression to actually establishing a brick and mortar facility? I just feel at this moment I need to know what is the best pathway to take within the manufacturing space to concentrate my efforts. Again, thank you, and I look forward to your response.
Hi, Lloyd. Thank you so much for your Ask Michelle B question. I was so excited to receive your question regarding your manufacturing business because manufacturing is near and dear to my heart. Manufacturing in the United States is a major, major issue right now. And if you can make something or you can answer the needs that the government has for specific things with DOD, especially in your arena, in your space, with your experience, aerospace and DOD and anything else. I actually have a couple of clients that were aerospace manufacturing clients a couple years ago. And they came to see me and would consult with me because they wanted to know how do they stop helping these large primes and start helping themselves. And that's you. You've already figured that out. I know it does take a lot of capital for you to get your own facility, but here's what you need to do. You need to immediately get set up with DIBS. You can click on the link below in the comment section and follow the steps for all of the DIBS videos that I have immediately. There is so much business for you. You can actually use your aerospace and manufacturing relationships to make lots of money. Also, Lloyd, DOD and DLA is one of my specialties. I know that agency very, very well. So I know how to find all of the different types of opportunities that may fit for your aerospace business and experience. But you are in a position to make a lot of different things that the government needs. So as soon as you get set up with your DIBS, I want you to write to me again and find out how do you go ahead and start structuring your business to get the opportunities that would allow you to start to grow with DLA. You don't have to have your own facility right now. You can be working on that while you're also building up cash and getting all of these opportunities because they don't have enough small businesses working directly with them. When I say they, I mean DLA. They want more small businesses. A lot of the large primes know how to do this and they do it all the time. It's the small businesses that have trouble. And then I would also have to talk to you about getting good pricing. because there is a way for you to know exactly what you need to charge DLA to be competitive and knock everybody else out the box. So get set up for your dibs, and don't forget, if you have other questions, just go ahead and send me a voicemail just like you did. I loved it. Thank you. Talk to you soon, Lloyd.